Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful and easy pattern. It's up to you if you want to start with any kind of rib or edge, you decide, but what you have to do the wrong side for setup row, you have to just pull all stitches and for this pattern we have to have multiple of 5 plus 4. The 4 stitches we are going to use them as an edge in the beginning and at the end of the work. This gives you more a nice edge. So in this case I have 24 stitches. As I told you, it has to be multiple of 5 plus 4, 2 for edge here and 2 for edge here. Let's get started. For row 1, what we have to do, we are going to just take the first one and knit 1. I told you the 2 here should be as an edge. When it comes in that part, I'm going to bring the yarn in front and we are going to pull the stitch by increasing like that. So it has to be 1, 2, and 3. We are going to repeat 5 times. So it means we are going to make increasing 5 stitch in front like a pull. So if you look at here, this is the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next 5 I'm going just to knit 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I repeat the pattern again to pull 5 stitches by increasing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next 5 I'm going to knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 2 is for edge. Just knit like that. Row 2, we are going to pull the stitches in like edge and 5. When it comes the one we already increased, we are going to take the yarn in front and just pull the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then again we pull 5 stitches. Let's do it again by take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just make sure the yarn it has to be in front. And then pull the last 2 stitches. row 3 we are going to start by knit 2. When it comes in these 5 loops, insert your needle here and just knit all together, then yarn over, knit again, yarn over, and knit again. So it means you are going to have again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 stitches, the next one should be knitted. Repeat again, insert your needle, grab the yarn, yarn over, knit, grab the yarn and knit. Then just knit the rest of the stitches. Like this. Next row is easy because you are going to pull all stitches. This is the way we are going to make this pattern, but what you have to do after 4 rows, you have to change the direction of the pattern. It means that we in row 1 we start to make it here. Now in the next pattern we are going to make the one here and one here. What we have to do, we have to this time start by the one we already made. We have to just knit, when it comes in these fifths we are going to start by make a pattern by pull and increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then when it comes to that one, just we are going to knit again. For that part we should make a pattern by make increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then knit the 2, and that's it. You are going to repeat after few rows. Let me show you in the bigger pattern. As you can see here, row 1 I start like that, the next pattern change the position, and the next one it has to be exactly in this row 1, and you are going to repeat like that. After few rows the pattern looks like this one. This is the back side of the word and this is the front side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.